Let's slice these up. Oh my. Hey everyone, I'm Dave. Today we're gonna show you how to make Wolfgang Puck's fall off the bone pork ribs. This is gonna be one of your new dinner go-tos. Let's get started. Okay, now we're gonna work on the rub. Wolfgang obviously packed a lot of flavor in this. We've got 12 ingredients going into the rub. We've got white pepper, some coarse pepper, oregano, thyme, brown sugar, granulated garlic, some granulated onion, kosher salt, coriander, cayenne pepper, and some paprika. Great smells in there all mixed together. Definitely gonna add a lot of fun flavor to the ribs here. Outstanding. Now we're gonna slide the ribs over. Generously coat these on top. We're gonna make sure those are totally covered. Then we're gonna put them in the fridge here for an hour. Okay, while the ribs are rested in the refrigerator here for an hour, we're just gonna get the sauce out of the way. So this is our spicy dipping sauce. We've got honey, apple cider vinegar, red jalapenos diced up, and some oregano. That's gonna be a fun extra flavor on the ribs. You can also just add a pinch of salt too, just for good measure. Let me see. Perfect. Now these have sat in the fridge for an hour. The smells from that rub are incredible. And then again, we've got the spicy dipping sauce here. We're gonna place this on. Now normally if I smoke ribs, it'll take about 5 hours or so. We're gonna do these at a much higher temperature, but on the indirect heat side of the grill, so the little cooler side of the grill, but they should only take a couple hours, so it's a much quicker cook. These look beautiful. We're gonna close the lid, give it about 20 minutes. After that, we'll give them a flip, and we'll keep flipping them probably every 20 minutes for another hour and a half after that. And just keep a close eye on it till the bones become loose, and they'll be ready to eat. Okay, now it's been on for about 25 minutes or so. We're gonna do the first flip, and then we'll keep flipping every 20 minutes. I will also give a little spritz of some apple cider vinegar and water when I flip. These are starting to smell just incredible here. It's gonna be our last flip, and then we'll probably be taking them off. Okay, the ribs are ready. They look beautiful. Look at those, smell incredible. Now we're gonna let these rest for 10 minutes before we cut them, but you can see the little wiggle on these bones. These smell amazing. I'm kind of excited to try these. I'm normally a low and slow with my ribs, but these look incredible. Let's slice these up. Oh my, they cut so easy. They start falling down almost before you get there. We're gonna place some of these out here. Look at those ribs. Wow, this is loaded with flavor. That rub with all those spices, amazing. Haven't even tried the dipping sauce yet. The vinegar, the apple cider vinegar with the honey, and then the heat. Just an amazing compliment to these ribs. Oh my goodness. I guess that Wolfgang Puck guy knows what he's doing. Outstanding. These tasted amazing, especially with the dipping sauce. Just a fun way to plate, laid out like this. Throw on a little green onions if you have them. And since we've got some of the heat in the dipping sauce, I'm just gonna put out some pickled jalapenos that I have as well. It's a fun presentation way to serve them. And for people who want a little extra heat, they can throw that on their ribs too. Again, I'm a low and slow rib guy normally, but the taste in these, especially with that rub, outstanding. Thanks for joining me for this great cook. I love these ribs. Definitely got to give them a try. Again, I'm Dave. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe below. Let me know what you want to see cooked next. Be happy to do it. Have a great day, everyone. And remember, spread love through barbecue. Oh, man.